Pharyngeal plexus. The motor and majority of the sensory supply to both the pharynx and soft palate comes from the pharyngeal plexus. This is meshwork of the interconnecting nerves on the posterolateral surface of the pharynx and is formed by the contribution of the pharyngeal branches of the vagus nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve, and sympathetic branches of superior cervical ganglion. This pharyngeal branch of the vagus nerve actually coming from the motor fiber of plexus of cranial root of the accessory nerve, and they are coming through the pharyngeal branch of the vagus nerve to supply the pharynx. All of pharyngeal muscles supplied by this apart from stylopharyngeus, which is supplied by glossopharyngeal nerve, tensor belli palatini, which is supplied by the median pterygoid branch of the mandibular nerve. Rest all muscle of the pharynx in soft palate are supplied by this pharyngeal plexus. So actually this pharyngeal plexus formed by the ninth nerve, 10th nerve and cranial part of the 11th nerve and sympathetic branches of the superior cervical ganglion. Some of motor fibers travel between the internal and external carotid arteries to enter the superior margin of middle constrictor muscle. At this point, it joins the hypoglossal nerve close to where it curves around the occipital artery by the minuscule filament. These minuscule filament called ramus lingualis vagi. So this is fibers, small fiber is called ramus lingualis vagi. In addition to innervation by the pharyngeal plexus, the inferior constrictor, namely cricopharyngeus, also receive contribution from branches of vagus nerve, the external and recurrent laryngeal nerve. So, cricopharyngeal part of the inferior constrictor also supply by the external and recurrent laryngeal nerve. Sensory fiber predominantly originate from glossopharyngeal nerve to provide the sensory supply to the majority of the oropharynx. The vallecula lying within the oropharynx are however supplied by the internal laryngeal nerve branch of the vagus nerve, as well as by the lesser palatine nerve, a branch of maxillary division of trigeminal nerve. So vallecula supplied by both the vagus nerve and trigeminal nerve. Part of the nasopharynx is supplied principally by the maxillary branch of the trigeminal nerve by the pterygopalatine ganglia. Sensation within the laryngopharynx is by the internal laryngeal nerve, that is branch of the vagus nerve. The sensory supply of the palate originates from the branches of pterygopalatine ganglion, namely greater and lesser palatine nerve, which travel with the same name arteries. The site of their entry into the palate is useful landmark for performing local anesthetic block. It's about enter 1 centimeter medial to region of second molar teeth. So greater palatine plexus or block you can give at 1 centimeter medial to the second molar teeth.